Hey everyone, this is your boy Rick with another one. Well, today I just want to share with you guys just a handy device that I picked up on Amazon for all the person who like to work on the cars by themselves. I know that sometimes you're in a spot where you probably don't have a light and you need to see underneath the hood, but you don't have a second pair of hands to hold a light for you. And I find this handy thing on Amazon that you could install underneath your hood. So each time you open your hood, there's pretty much light all the time. I didn't record the installation video because the installation is pretty simple. It depends on the make and model of your car. It will be different for each car. Mine is a 2017 Subaru Forester. But I find it handy because each time I go to work on my car, sometimes I have to have someone hold a light, and the position of the light sometimes is not the best. Um, so it helps a lot when you could see things. You need to check your fluid. You're in a dark spot. It doesn't have to be in the night because, as you see, when I was recording this, it was actually in the daytime in my garage, and the light was pretty bright still. Even though it was light out, it was still pretty bright. As you can see, there's a switch, so each time you close the hood, it will go on that switch and then it will turn off, and as soon as you pop the hood and you lift it up, then the light will come back on and it will stay on until you close it. And as you can see, it's bright. It really shines, and highlight all the dark areas, or at least most of the dark areas that you will need to see on top. So I know if you want to pick up something like this and install it, then I'll just drop a link in the description so you could pick it up on Amazon. Okay, peace out.